Baking up a storm. Unraveling idioms in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English idiom, bake up a storm. Idioms are a fun and important part of learning English, as they add color and cultural depth to the language. Let's dive in and understand what this phrase really means and how you can use it in your conversations. First, let's break down the phrase, bake up a storm. At first glance, it might seem like it's about baking during a storm, but it's not. In English, this idiom actually means to bake a large amount of food with great enthusiasm or skill. It's often used when someone is baking various items, like cakes, cookies, and bread, with a lot of energy and passion. Understanding the origin of idioms can often help us remember them better. The phrase, bake up a storm, likely originated from the metaphorical use of the word, storm. In English, a storm can refer to a lot of activity or commotion. So, when someone is baking up a storm, they are creating a flurry of baking activity, almost like a storm in the kitchen. Now, let's see how you can use this idiom in everyday conversation. For example, if your friend spent the whole day baking different types of pastries for a party, you could say, "Wow, you really baked up a storm for the party." It's a great way to acknowledge someone's effort and skill in baking. Using idioms like bake up a storm can significantly enhance your English fluency. It shows that you have a deeper understanding of the language and its cultural nuances. Don't be afraid to sprinkle idioms into your conversations. They make your speech more colorful and expressive. And that's a wrap on Bake Up a Storm. We hope this video has helped you understand and appreciate this delightful English idiom. Remember, learning idioms is not just about language. It's about connecting with the culture and spirit of English. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using idioms with the ease of a native speaker. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.